A truth table for conjunction. We know conjunction for two statements, P and Q, or P comma Q, is denoted by P inverted V Q. So that is a conjunction. What does a conjunction mean? A conjunction simply means and. So P and Q. A truth table gives you the corresponding truth value of the compound statement. I have P, which is a simple statement. So is Q, simple statement. But when I put them together, the resulting statement is a compound statement. So when I write or when I represent P and Q, it has to satisfy the conditions of this truth table. Otherwise, I cannot write it or cannot write a situation as P and Q. So what is the truth table? So I have P, I have Q. The results P and Q. If P is true and Q is true, the result has to be true. If P is false, Q is true, the result will be false. If P is true, Q is false, the result is false. If both of them are false, the result is false. Let's take a simple example. I'm going to take P. P is the statement 4 is an even number. Q, 4 is divisible by 2. In that case, P is true. Q is also true because I know 4 is an even number. I know 4 is divisible by 2. Since both of them are true, if someone comes up to me and says, 4 is an even number, and it is divisible by 2. That resulting statement is a true statement. Four is an even number, and it is divisible by 2 is a true statement. Now, I'll take another case. Let's take the same. Instead of even number, I'm going to change that to an odd number. Is 4 divisible by 2? Yes. But is 4 an odd number? No, it's not. If someone comes up to me and says 4 is an odd number and it is divisible by 2, that would be incorrect. That is a false statement when I combine them together. So 4 is an odd number. That's false. So I want the third case, which is true false. I'm going to change it to an even number, which would make it a true statement. I want a false statement. Cats are birds. Well, cats aren't birds. Cats kill birds. So cats are not birds, and that would be a false statement. So if I concluded P and Q as 4 is an even number and cats are birds, would that be a true statement? It is not going to be a true statement, so the result is false. Let's do a fun example. P. You can't see the sun during daytime. Next case, drinking alcohol makes you sober. Well, first statement is false. If you disagree with that, then that's a problem. So you can't see the sun during daytime, it's false. And you have a bigger problem if you disagree with the second statement, drinking alcohol makes you sober. Since both statements are false, if someone comes up to me and says, oh, you can't see the sun during daytime and drinking alcohol makes you sober, you are pretty much lying through your teeth. It is an entirely false statement. In summary, if we want truth in an and statement, in other words, a conjunction, both simple statements in the compound statement it's connected, but and has to be or have to be true. You'll get a true result only if both simple statements P and Q are true.